How to insert links in an OnlineJobs.ph application. So to start, we'll have to open our account. To do that, simply open browser and then search for OnlineJobs.ph and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be automatically redirected to this page where we can search for a job. So as an example, I'm gonna search for a human resource job. And then as an example, I'm gonna click on this one. And then in here on this job post, we can simply tap on this apply for this job option. After that, we can now start applying for this job. So how do we insert a link here? As you can see, there is no option for us to insert a link. But what we can do is to go on this message option. And then in here, we can type our application letter along with our link. So for example, you want to insert a link of your resume or CV. What you need to do is to upload it on your Google Drive. Once you have uploaded the file on your Google Drive, what you need to do is to go on that file and then tap on these three dots and then tap on share. In here, you have to make sure that the general access under that is set to anyone with the link. And then on these settings, make sure that this one is set to viewer. After that, copy link and then tap on done. Once we're done with that, we'll have to go back here and then we'll have to paste the link. After editing your application and then inserting the link, you can now send this email. So as an example, I'm going to show you a message or an application that I have sent before. So to do that, I'm just gonna go back and then tap on this messages option and then tap on the send option. And then I'm just gonna open an email here. And as you can see here, I have inserted a link on this message or email. So that's how easy we can insert links in OnlineJobs.ph application. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.